911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police.
What's the location?
296 Malden Place, upstairs.
What's the streets is that in between?
It's in between. It's Malden, M-A-L, like Larry, D-E-N Place.
What are your
Staten Island, New York.
What's the streets are you in between? What are the cross streets in the corner?
Falcon Avenue and Primrose Street. Primrose Place.
Okay, so this is 296 Malden Place in Staten Island, between Falcon Avenue and Primrose Place?
Yes. It's upstairs.
Well, second floor, third floor?
Second floor.
Second floor, okay. What's going on there?
Okay. There's a guy, I don't know if he's drugged out or what. He's flipping out. He's screaming. He's banging doors. He's going crazy. He's in and out of the house. He's wearing a
right now, he's outside?
I can't see right now. I think he's in the house. But he goes in and out. He's in the street and he goes back into his apartment. He's in and out of his apartment.
And you say he's on drugs?
He's flipping. He must be. He's flipping out. He's screaming and banging doors.